Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Maren.
And I'm Maureen.
Yeah, so today we are going to be doing a YouTube episode about what Kenyans love about Somalis.
Yeah, so if you're new here, please consider subscribing and also leave a comment on this video so that we can know that you are here.
Yeah, so let's go and find out. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, so today we're asking people about the Somali people. Do you know any Somali people?
Actually, I grew up with them.
Oh, wow,
like,
okay.
Most of the time, I've been with them, and I feel like they're just people. If you relate with them, you'll have no problem with them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know any Somali people?
Most definitely, I know a lot of Somali.
From where?
Okay, personally, where I'm from Meru County,
Okay.
and we interact with these people a lot because they're the majority people that buy a product that is cut. Mira, amo kipenda Jaba, locally known as Jaba. So we've interacted with them, and they're also good people. They are good business people. That's one thing that I really admire about them. Napenda sana venye wanafanyanga biashara, napenda sana. Yeah.
Do you know the Somali people?
Somali, I've seen them here in Kenya, probably at mosque. I don't really know them personally.
Oh, you don't know personally?
At all.
So what impression do you have of them, those ones that you've seen?
They are cool people, we met in mosque, we greeted well, but I don't spend much time with them at all.
Oh. Hi, how are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
Babunye.
Okay, so today we are asking people, do you know the Somali people? Have you interacted with them? From where?
Yeah, Kenya.
Okay, and what's your impression about them?
Somali ni wazuri.
Ni wazuri.
Wana moyo mzuri. Tena warembo.
Okay.
Watamu zaidi.
Do you know the Somali people?
Not really.
You've not interacted with any of them?
Yeah.
Have you even watched them on TV, or you don't know anything about Somali people?
One thing I know about Somali people, but they're very tall. Very tall. Then vile nimesikia stories zao, nimesikia kuwa wako very personal sana with their girls, with their friendship. So I think this is what I know about Somali.
Okay. And what do you love about them? What's your
Their
impression
food,
about them?
their food is amazing. They also have good hearts. Like, people misunderstand them a lot, but I feel like they're really good people if they want to. And if you show them that you can be good to them, they'll be good to you.
One thing that I love about them is the fact that they are business people. You know, kitu moja napenda about them.
Okay.
Yeah.
And given an opportunity, is Somalia a country you'd like to visit?
Well, I would. Actually, I would like to visit just to see how it is, because the way we know how Somalia is, people know that it's a dry land, it's a place where there's war and everything, but I'm sure there are nice places, like it's a country with normal things like any other country can have. So yeah, I'd like to visit that place.
Okay.
Yeah.
And right now, if you are given the opportunity, would you marry a Somali man, or you prefer your Kenyan men?
Hey, hapo kwa marriage. Okay. I feel like the only thing that I would not be okay with them is the fact that when you marry, when you get along with their culture, like, you have to forget your culture and join theirs. So I feel like that's not really fair, because why don't you also join my own? You understand? So hapo kwa marriage, they look good and everything, but the culture part is where I will draw the line.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if you are given an opportunity right now, would you like to visit Somalia?
Right now, maybe yes, maybe no. Yes, the fact that I like Somalia because of it's the ocean, especially the beaches. I saw that one of the best and one of the, I don't know how to describe, but wako na beach fiti sana. Ningetaka kwenda huko nijue poaje. No, because of maybe insecurity.
Okay. Yeah. Do you know the country Somalia?
Somalia, I've never been there.
You've never
But
been
I've
there?
heard of it.
You've heard of it.
Yes,
What have
yes.
you heard about it?
Nothing much. Not at all. I don't think so.
So if someone gave you an opportunity today to go to Somalia, would you
I would
be open
want
to it?
I'm open to traveling around to know many places, many people, and meet people, you understand. So I would.
Okay. And what about the country Somalia? Would you visit it given a chance?
Somalia.
Yeah.
No.
Why?
No. Because nimesikia issue mob. Somali, they're very, I don't know how, sijui naweza iweka aje. Yaani wako very rough. Wako very rough. Alafu nasikia wananga huruma. Nasikia wananga huruma kabisa. So I don't think.
So given a choice between a Somali girl and a Kenyan girl, who would you marry? Would you marry a Somali girl?
No.
Is there any reason why?
I think to mingle with them, to relate with them, it's hard. I think it's hard for me. It's hard, totally hard.
Okay.
Yeah, but Kenyans, very easy.
So given a chance, would you like to marry a Somali girl ama wait, you just prefer your Kenyan women?
Hata nisipopewa mimi naoa.
So you love them.
I have them.
Okay. And Somali as a country, what do you think about it?
Somali. Yo, mimi, I can't talk much about it. But what I know, kitu ambacho kiko ndani ya hiyo Somali kizuri zaidi.
Okay. So right now, if you are given the opportunities, Somali a country you'd like to visit, maybe explore ama?
I can.